Good morning, students. Today I am just sending you the video showing the various phases of mitosis. In our earlier session, we have discussed about the cell cycle, in which we discussed interphase and M phase. Today we are going to with M phase, which is divided into two parts: karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Number 2, cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. So first we are taking karyokinesis. Which is completed in 4 stages. Number 1, prophase. Number 2, metaphase. Number 3, anaphase. And telophase. So first we will take prophase. So first we see the interphase stage of cell, means when cell is not dividing, it shows nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin material and centriole. This is the interphase. Now the changes takes place in the prophase. It is the first stage. The first change is the chromatin material becomes short and condensed to form the chromosome. The dot structure represents, that is, disappearing of nuclear membrane. Centrioles showing the esters and start moving towards the opposite pole. So by the end of prophase, the esters are being formed with the help of centriole. Spindles are there and chromatin becomes chromosomes. Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, they all get disappeared. So I would like to explain the structure of chromosome. It consists of centromere, by which the arms are being attached, that is known as your chromatids. And there is one disc-like structure. There is one disc-like structure which is holding the chromatids, known as kinetochores. So this is the structure of chromosome which are being formed after the prophase. And the next and very important phase is your metaphase. It is the shortest phase It is the shortest phase in which spindles formation completed with the esterase and chromosomes align themselves on the metaphase plate on one line with the centromere in the center, and they form metaphase plate, that is equator. This is the stage in which you can count the number of chromosomes, because all the chromosomes are aligned themselves on one particular plate that is known as your metaphase plate. So the next is your anaphase. In this phase, spindle fibers break. Centromeres of all the chromosomes splits. Spindle fiber breaks. Centromere of all the chromosomes splits. And they start moving towards the opposite poles. These half chromosomes are known as daughter chromosomes. The next is telophase. This is the last phase, opposite to the prophase. Whatever the changes takes place in the prophase, they reappears in the telophase. That is, the two daughter chromosomes are being formed. Two daughter chromosomes are being formed. Spindle fibers disappear. Chromosomes, they become chromatid again. Centrioles reappear. This is just the opposite. So nucleolus, nuclear membrane reappear. Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, they start reappearing, and by the end you will get a two daughter nuclei. Chromatin material, nucleolus, nuclear membrane. This is two daughter nuclei with two daughter cells. Next is your cytokinesis. Cytokinesis, in which invagination of cytoplasm takes place and results in the formation of two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. This is in animal cells. There is a little bit difference in the cytokinesis of plant cells. In plant cells, we are having a cell plate. Because of the cell wall, and in the center you will get a cell plate, and then it will form as your middle lamella. The cell plate will form the middle lamella and two daughter cells are being formed. So in plant cells, cytokinase starts with the formation of cell plate, which actually represents the middle lamella between the cell walls of two adjacent cells. These extends from the center of the cell and they divide into two daughter nuclei, and ultimately two daughter cells are formed in the plant cell. So by this we can explain about the mitosis. This is just a simple summary of the mitosis, in which you will get two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. That's why mitosis is known as an equational division. I will also send you a colored photographs of complete stages of the mitosis. Along with that, I will send you the notes in the form of a PPTs and the recorded sound. But first, go through this video, try to analyze the various stages of the mitosis, consult your NCERT, and in next session we will have a notes of our mitosis. Till then, thank you.